Good afternoon. This is Charles for 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We're at 1644 North Centennial here on the west side. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, basically turnkey. I mean, not basically, it is certainly turnkey if you wanted it to be. It could use some updating, but nothing significant that I can see. Structurally, it looks to be in good shape. There's wallpaper that might be a tad bit difficult to change out, but the carpet that's in there is in good condition. The wood floors that I'm seeing are in good condition, as well as some of the other flooring that's in there. Basement's dry, so take a look at the interiors and let us know what you think. But I think this is a really good option to get in right away without any extra overhead or capital expenditures, or it could be something that you could throw a little bit of money into and really maximize. Thanks a lot.